This is a living friendship. Even si Darren na bagong-bago, pag nakita ni Vice yan, may uso, let's just say labubu, lumalaban ang management for its showtime. Kahit lunukin na nila yung pride. Oy mga Kuya-Kuya, this is Kuya Mike, ang kuya nyo sa Amerika, and this is for the Kuya-Kuya list. Okay, so may nanalo na. Hindi ba? Itong si grupo nila Kim Chu, Ogie Alcacid, MC and Lassie. And I tell you, they do deserve it. Pinakamataas so far sa grupo na review ko from Vice, Team Vice, and then Team Vong and Team Ann. And yet, hindi pa natin natatapos yung kay Team Jong. And of course, kay Sean and kay Jackie. So, gagawin natin yan para lang makumpleto. I know, let's just put it there. Matapos na ito. But more than that, ang pag-uusapan pa natin at the end of this video na regarding kala Jong, Sean, and Jackie is that why It's Showtime has survived for 15 years. And those 15 years ay napakahirap. Okay? This is not very smooth, to be honest about it. Ito na yata ang pinakamahirap na 15 years sa isang show. Number one, napakatagal na ng 15 years. So it's not, and I think that's the longest running noontime show ng ABS-CBN. Secondly, talagang maraming pinagdaanan. And we saw it with our own eyes. But why is it nakasurvive itong show na ito in particular? So, pag-uusapan natin yan at the end of the video. Alright, scratch paper ulit. Tayo. At ang ating ribbon. Hanap tayo nung YouTube.
Hindi ko maintindihan ha. Hindi ko naintindihan kung ano nangyayari. I love yung music. Sino ba kumanta nito? My gosh. Pinakapaborito ko si Sari.
Hindi ko pinanood yung reaction, explanation na malamang na ibibigay nila Jong, Sean at ni Jackie regarding sa kanilang presentation. Obviously, it has something to do with mental health, and nakita ko doon yung Philippine Mental Health Association na, to be real honest, naging member din ako dahil sabi ko nga sa inyo, psychology graduate ako. And then, karoon ako ng research na ginawa. I had to ask help from Philippine Mental Health Association. Ito yung nandyan sa, malapit sa heart center. So, I guess, lumalabas doon the importance of having good mental health. You're not supposed to crack, pwede kang umiyak, pwede kang malungkot, pero sabi nga, lilipas din yan. Which I always say sa mga parang nahihirapan na eventually, kung minsan itulog mo lang, you will feel better. Not necessarily na solve mo yung problema mo, you will have more insights, feel optimistic. That was the buod or tema ng presentation nila Jong. If you see yung unang pinakita, lumabas nga sila Jong, Sean, and Jackie, nakita nyo yung parang sa likod, yung parang koneksyon ng puso, and then may line papunta sa brain. Malalim yung yung hugot ng kwento ng presentation na ito. That it was a little profound. Hindi ko makuha, lalo na yung kay Sean, na parang ang lungkot-lungkot niya, and tinulungan naman siya ni Jong. Someone has to help you out here, and sometimes it's a professional, sometimes it's a friend. Again, hindi mo makuha right away. Unlike yung, let's just say, kala Ogie, na para bang na-verbalize. Ito walang it was all movement. And then yung nangyari nga kay Jackie na alam mo na parang sa showtime pa, pinakita is showtime, and then nakita mo yung heart broken si Jackie. And obviously, yung kanyang boyfriend na forgot his name, Ipapakita na lang natin dyan. And then, nakita natin, of course, si Sari, father-daughter bonding, no? Through dance. May isa pang guest, sorry, hindi ko kilala, no? And then, magaling rin sila sumayaw. Ito yung pumalit na kay Sari. I guess, tumanda na si Sari. Andun pa rin yung bonding ng mag-ama. Itong grupo na to, essentially magagaling sumayaw. And then, yung expert pa ni Jong is kung paanong gumalaw sa stage. He really knows how to move sa stage. And it's just not because he's a dancer, but he had training sa Miss Saigon. Then, obviously, he had to rescue si Sean and si Jackie until nawala siya, no? Sa tatlo, bigla na lang pumasok si Sari with a green thing. I'm not even sure what that exactly means. Yung green, awan ko kung sa Philippine Mental Health ba yun? I guess that's it. So, in terms of scoring, technicality, I'm gonna give it, I think it's a 9, no? Dahil sa sayaw nila. Magaling eh. Magaling yung sayaw, magaling yung mga lights nila, yung kalang costume, I like it. Now, sa theme, out of 15, malalim siya, pero parang feeling ko hindi na-express ng maayos. Kumbaga, naguluhan pa ako. So, I'm gonna give it a 10. Overall, I find it interesting actually. It's malalim, it's profound. So, out of 25, going to give it a 20. So, that is 39. So, essentially, 78. Okay, so, yun na kompleto na natin ang pagbibigay ng reviews. And nakita nyo naman na number 2 ko ang Team Jong and Jackie and Sean. Pero, malayong-malayo siya sa number 1 ko na Team Ogie, Kim, and MC and Lassie. By the way, can I just say, I am so happy na, again, kakamping mga ito, na binigay nila yung 300,000 pesos na napanalunan ng team na ito para sa Angat Buhay na group na kung saan si dating VP na si Leni Robredo ay ang leader na kung saan kailangan talaga ng Bicol and surrounding areas. And aside from that, si Vice mismo ay nagbigay rin ng kanyang donation at pinadala niya mismo ito sa Cordillera Street Office and Museum ng Angat Buhay ni Leni Robredo. Wala na yatang iba. I mean, aside from ABS-CBN, ito lang talaga ang right now ang very active ang tumutulong dahil sa Christine na bagyo. And okay, so pag-uusapan naman natin bakit tumagal itong It's Showtime na to. I have 2 things that should explain hand in hand ito ng pagtagal ng It's Showtime. 1, that sense of camaraderie. Hindi mo maitatanggihan na itong grupo na ito is robust, strong, because there is that sense of camaraderie. And yet, pinapakita nila yung pagiging totoo nila. This is not a put-on. This is not manufactured. Hindi ito pinilit, ginawa, o hinulma lang for the sake of providing entertainment. This is a living friendship amongst all members ng It's Showtime. And yet, nakikita nyo, ups and downs, may away, may nagkakagulo, may parinigan, may, not only that, may mga pangyayari na kikita nyo naman na pagbagsak, even yung kay Vong. And then, it's not to put on, kitang-kita nyo yung friendship, real and genuine friendship. Whether dyan mismo sa show, sa harap natin, show mismo, nakita rin natin backstage. No, may buhay sila backstage. And more than that, meron rin silang buhay outside ng ABS-CBN. Grabe pa rin ang group chat, grabe pa rin ang mga kwento. So, buhay na buhay itong grupo na to. It is just being manifested and talagang na-enjoy natin. Yung bardagulan nila, yung mga hirit nila sa isa't isa. Even si Darren na bagong-bago,
as member, because of that bestie niya with Kim Chiu. Kita naman natin, very at home siya na makipagbardagulan kay Kim. And that is why we just enjoy that because we feel at home. We're part of that group. As if na-experience din natin sila. And hinahanap-hanap natin sila. Pangalawa, as important as this camaraderie is that very relevant ang grupo nito. In other words, either sila mismo ang nagpapauso, lalong-lalo na si Vice, siya mismo ang gumagawa ng pauso, siya mismo ang gumagawa ng play, siya ang gumagawa ng laro for the masa or the madlang people to get it, sometimes emulate it. Take yung pag-iisip mismo ni Vice. We agree with her, sometimes lihis, we don't agree. Pero natatawa pa rin tayo. And yet, at the same time, pag nakita ni Vice yan, may uso, let's say si Labubu, pinapasok na yan sa show na ito. And tayo na mismo, nakukuha na natin mga uso ngayon, mga trends, whether in fashion, whether in accessories, whether in music, whether in movies, entertainment, in thoughts mismo, kuhang-kuha natin yan and it becomes relevant to our lives. That is why for the whole 15 years, from may nag-text to Labubu, we are getting it. Sa mga segments nila, talagang nabubuhay tayo. And we want to be on trend. We want to see yung zeitgeist, yung pag-iisip, yung views. And madali, as showtimer, nakukuha natin yung views nila. They can go political, they can go irreverent. Mas Vice, walang takot, walang fear. Whether sa gobyerno yan or even sa bosses ng ABS-CBN. Obviously, Vice mismo ang bumubuhay sa show na ito. And I'm really hoping maka-keep up ang mga iba. Because at times nga, wala siya. Pero because of Vice, its Showtime has survived. And because of them, at because ang interest natin ay tuloy-tuloy na pupukaw, lumalaban ang management for its Showtime. Kahit lunukin na nila yung pride at ibenta ng ABS-CBN ang idea ng its Showtime sa pinakakalaban nilang network, which is GMA. Only because they know importante sa madlang people ang its Showtime. Alright, so that's about it. That wraps up the whole anniversary presentation, the 15th anniversary of its Showtime. So, until next time,